Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a presentation in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our project. In the bottom bar we find the plus icon, and if we tap on this, then we get a list of different kinds of ratios and different kinds of things that we can create. But in the top of the list, the sixth entry is presentation. If we tap on this, then the Canva app is going to load and open up the format in which we can create presentations. Here we are going to get some templates, some layouts that we can select from, different kinds of styles that we can apply to our presentation. And yeah, the sky is the limit. You create what you imagine. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.